Right, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to give you guys a quick update on our Amazon order, let you guys know we're going to be building this computer later on this week, March 18th to the 20th. Our 3090 comes in. This is the one we spent $1531 on. This one, there was 9 left when I purchased mine out. These two, there was 1 left when I bought mine out. I bought both of these, two of these, $200. I got 2 Mac Minis, $200 each. That was a very, very good deal. My plan with these is we're going to use $20 cloud subscriptions. We're going to use something like ChatGPT Plus or the $20 Gemini subscription or even a $20 Claude subscription. Either way, we want like that middle tier subscription, so that way we can basically run a little cloud side hustle from each one of these Mac Minis. Each one of these Mac Minis will basically be its own OpenClaw, but it's not going to be run locally. These ones are going to be run cloud-based. This one is a computer that we're building. We're going to build this. It's almost like an AI supercomputer that I'm going to build with my son, and we're going to turn that into a locally run OpenClaw AI agent. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and be here for that. Now this, the EVGA, the 3090 for one is one of the best graphics cards that you guys can get. You're either going to get the 3090, the 4090, or the 5090. There's other stuff like the DGX Spark, and obviously if you're going to go in the really high budgets, then you're not even in this. You're not even in this discussion because there's obviously better equipment. But if you're going to build your own at-home, locally built AI supercomputer, this is one of your best budget options right here, the 3090. Now we picked this up last night. We made a video about this EVGA Ultra. This is the one that you're looking for. This is one of the best ones to get. If it's not this one, get the Supreme X. Okay, I tried to get the Supreme X. There was one left in stock. I was waiting. I waited overnight, and then that one sold out, and I had to buy this one for $50 more. So I basically got like the runner-up. I got the second best one for $50 more than the one that I was looking at getting. But these are the best ones to get. So I'm excited for that. Stay tuned because that 3090 is going to be here in about 3 days, and we're going to start building that computer live right here on the channel. We're going to show you guys. We're going to document the entire process, and the same thing with these Mac Minis. We're going to set up these Mac Minis. We're going to videotape the entire thing, and we're going to show you guys what we're actually doing, the agents that we're building, and what those agents are going to do. Are they going to make money? Like, I'm going to be very transparent. I want to show you guys the entire process. Very excited about all of this. This is a whole new shift for the channel, so definitely be here for all of this. I wish you guys an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.